Okay, so many congratulations to you for being nominated for the awards. So please tell us about yourself and about your company.
So we got this new company started 2 years ago. It's called Lion Insurance Brokers Private Limited, and we were far behind the others. They were all others who were 25 years ahead of us. So we had to design something, a USP, that why people should come to us to get their companies insured. So we went through the whole system and we understood that everybody was chasing business, 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 but there were very few people, rather, I didn't find many people looking at the relationship part of a client. So I told my team, let's focus on relationship building. Let's not just chase the business. So let's grow slow and steady. Even if I start with 5 clients, 10 clients, 20 clients, in the last 1 year, because of this system of getting personal touch with the clients, remembering the clients' birthdays, their anniversaries, their family birthdays, my business started growing very fast. And so I want to stress on this that in today's time everybody is chasing business, but nobody wants to remember the relationship. There are very few of us who don't even remember the family birthdays. They will not remember their sister's birthday or their sister's kids' birthdays. So we are focusing on relationship building and then growing the company in a big way. And I think by 2030 we'll be a leading insurance broking company. In fact, we got a boost of encouragement when the Poonawalla family invested 25% stake in my company. Yeah.
Like you said, relationship building was very important. Also, so if you could tell us about how you all use technology and AI, because AI and technology is everywhere. So in your segment, in your company, how are you using?
So we are into corporate insurance. In corporate insurance, there's more of personal touch. In the retail, there's a lot of AI coming in, but probably we will use part of AI when, say, if I insure a company and they have 2,000 employees, so we'll build an AI platform there, and to understand, especially if we are doing a health insurance, we will understand how the AI is functioning to see the body functions and why the people are getting sick. There was a very interesting case where there was a corporate, I don't want to name them, the maximum hospitalization was going on because of stomach disorders, you know and we found out at the end of it that the water was contaminated that was coming to the plant, and the workers were getting sick. So AI is definitely going to help us, but where corporate relations are concerned, AI cannot think like the heart. So there is a limitation to AI. You may have Chat GPT writing a beautiful emotional letter, but I feel end of the day, what's going to come from the heart cannot be substituted by a robot.
True, sir. And what do you think about this initiative by ET now?
This is a fantastic initiative. People like us who have just started, and we get to meet so many of the industry, veterans, and it's a great initiative. And I wish them good luck.
Thank you so much, sir. Many congratulations to you. Thank you.